Hi everyone. Today we're going to quickly review the Glossy box for August, which is the anniversary edition where they are marking their 10-year anniversary. I guess they're about to launch a generation Glossy box, which means it's created for the younger crowds. I think that's a great idea. I can't wait to see it. I might order one for my daughter who's 13 and she decided that she can wear gloss to go to school, so I let her. There's another thing called the Glossy Lounge. We have some exciting news, Glossies. Being a subscriber just got better this month. We are opening up the Glossy Lounge, which is a subscriber exclusive place on our site. It will be filled with offers, discounts, giveaways, and more from our favorite brands and new ones to discover. Every month you'll find something new in the Glossy Lounge. It will also be the new place for your priority access to upcoming limited editions, which is nice. They have a limited edition box that often sells out. You get to go there first if you are a Glossy member. And then there is a line of Glossy skincare, which I will just pass. So it's fun. It is their 10th birthday, and I think I got version B or 2 of the box. It is our 10th birthday, and we're thrilled to celebrate with you. We love all things pretty and pink, so we're bringing you this extra special box this month to get your party ready. Get ready to dance the night away with the amazing products in your August Glossy box. I will be very honest. I have looked through the products, and I don't see anything in there that would make me excited about partying. Like, I would expect a Glossy box anniversary box to have makeup and fun party things as a precursor to the holidays that are coming. And I think the choices of product this month were not my ideal choices, but we'll go over them really quickly. So the first product is the lip gloss. I do like the color of the lip oil. It's actually a lip oil. I think it's lovely. Beautiful color. It says apply directly to your lips or on top of your favorite lipstick for the added shine. And it is a full size. Juicy melon. There's no time for chapped lips or a messy, sticky gloss. It has a very strong fragrance, which is also not my favorite. So I'm sorry, Glossy box. This was not a win for me. I will put the gloss on, and I'm wearing my hair kind of down. It feels thick. And sticky. So I don't know what they're saying that, well, here's my hair. And it sticks. Not sure. Could it be worse? It did come out easily, so maybe there's something to it. Not completely sold on it yet, you guys. I do like the way the product looks. It's just adorable with the pink and happy and glossy. The second product is just as adorable. It's called Glow Recipe. It is a gentle cleanser. Blueberry Bounce Gentle Cleanser. The pro tip says dispense 1 pump into wet palms and rub hands to create a lather. Massage gently onto wet skin for 1 minute, then rinse thoroughly. So it's just a cleaner. And it came, inside of it, it came this cute little blueberry card. I thought that was adorable. It tells you what to do. To use it as a makeup remover, create a lather into wet palms and gently massage. You can also use it as a mask. Apply a generous layer to clean the dry skin, and after 5 minutes just rinse it off. So just different ways to use the same product. Is it effective? Possibly. This one was a deluxe mini. It's a simple size. It was only $10, but I love how cute the product is. That just makes me happy. Something colorful like that. I do like those colors together. You know, I think Glossy box should try to focus not only on creating a box that's got a good collection of things, but maybe one time just go like the pink box or the rainbow box and try to do something different like that. I think that would be a great idea, GLOSSYBOX, if you're listening. Just for fun and just for times when things need a little bit of extra cheer. Or the glitter box, you know, where everything is glitter in it. So a little bit more themes would be fun. The next product, I think it's a mask, actually a hair mask. I appreciate those. Those are always welcome. There is a huge amount of the product in this little bag, so it could be used multiple times if you have little hair or if you have short hair. At this length, I might be able to use it twice. With my old long hair, I think that was a once and done kind of thing. It is keratin smoothing deep conditioner infused with hydrolyzed keratin to reduce frizz and block humidity, which is ideal for August, especially here in Texas. Again, I started so negative, but 3 of these products so far are pretty nice. Let's move on. I'll tell you why I'm kind of disappointed. The 5th one is Elemis, and of course Elemis is a high-end brand with the Pro Collagen Marine Cream, and anything Pro Collagen with marine algae oils that they put in these things are all the rage right now for anti-aging products. And Elemis is very famous in Europe, and I guess getting a good reputation here in the US as well. It says gently smooth over face, neck, and décolleté in upward strokes. I'm gonna put down here the difference between décolleté and décolletage, because I have to look that up. It is so funny that so many products call one thing and then the other. Is there a difference? We're gonna find out. It says that it is made with powerful marine and plant actives, including Padina, Pavonica, Chlorella, and Ginkgo biloba. I bet you Chlorella is some sort of algae. Clinically proven to improve hydration and reduce the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Always a good thing. So this is a mini size, and it's worth $45. The full size would cost you $128. So it's in the level of the luxury items that I have been reviewing this week. The next item I'm going to go to is these Invisa Bobbles. And they are super cute. I'm actually wearing one right now that I got from Amazon. And the idea of these Invisa Bobbles is that if you remove them, the hair is not going to leave a kink. So if you had straight hair and then you use it, I don't know how true that is. And I don't really want to test it right now because I need to film something else and I don't want to put my hair down. I might do it. I might do it. Anyway, they're super cute, and one of the little tips that they say is just wear it around your wrist like a little bracelet so that you always have a headband ready. I think it's a silly little trick, but okay. It gently holds your hair in place without breaking and damaging it. Sale price for this for 3 is $8. I'm actually gonna do that at the very end. I'm gonna try both the one that I have and this one. This is a smaller version, and see if there is any change in laxity of the hair. Since I have so much hair, some ties will just not hold it. So let's try that. And then the very last product that I have is Cetaphil Sheer Hydration, and this is a product for the entire body. It's a great product for, you know, our skin in August when we've gone through all sorts of damage. It is an excellent product as far as dermatologists are concerned. They always recommend it. Replenishes skin hydration for 48 hours. That's cool. And it has the hydrosensitive, you know, for, I guess, for skins that have a tendency of breaking out. Hyaluronic acid, sunflower seed oil, vitamin B5, and vitamin E help hydrate dry skin. Just remember, anything that has hyaluronic acid, if you live in a dry climate, you better put this on as soon as you get out of the shower, because otherwise the hyaluronic acid is going to pull the moisture from your skin in order to plump it up, so defeats the purpose. Like here in Texas, it's so humid, I can come out of the shower and put this on at any time and it would be fine, even though I do keep my AC really low. But you want to make sure that when you have any product for your skin, face, or your body, you have water on your skin before you apply a hyaluronic acid product. Anyway, I guess the reason I was disappointed, again, I will review that with the Glossies. One is it's late in August and I've been asking them again and again to put me down for earlier in the year. And I think what's happening is I signed up late in the month, so therefore I won't be getting them until late. So I decided I am going to cancel my subscription, and then as soon as I can subscribe again, because I probably have 2 more months, I will subscribe on the very first of the month to see if I get the products right away. So we'll play with that. And the other thing is, as an anniversary box, they do have 2 full products, and I guess you count the Invisa Bobbles as a full product, and then everything else are simple size. So I don't know, to me it wasn't party enough for a celebration. All right, so let's try what the Invisa Bobble does. So today I wanted to wear my hair kind of down like this, and when I fix my hair, I have curly hair in the back and straight in the front. Who knew? And I try to straighten it, so I don't know what mess it is, but I just want you to see. I put up my hair in a ponytail, but I wanted it to be kind of low, and then I doubled it over. I wanted it to be kind of messy. So if I remove it and I go like this, we'll see. I cannot see, but I'll see when editing. This is the big one that I currently have and I got on Amazon. And if I go on it 3 times with my amount of hair, it will hold my hair. I'm pretty happy with the way it holds. So 1, 2, 3, it's there. I can pull it like this, pump the front, and it holds the hair just fine. Now let's try the smaller one. So here's the difference in size. The little one that came in the package, don't need to do 3 times, but we'll see. 1, 2. 2 is too loose, so I could do a 3rd one and be nice and tight. Yes, if I do it 3 times, it will be nice and tighter than the bigger one, but not too tight that would give me a headache. So that is, excuse the mess, but the whole point is it does hold the hair, and I could exercise and run and it would be fine. It would not be a problem. Let's see. I think it's kind of cool that it doesn't leave a dent in your hair. Super cool. So I will have links in the description for both the GLOSSYBOX and the bigger one from Amazon. And I'll see you tomorrow.